No, I am happy. Hello, friends. Today we will speak about to be and to have. What's the difference between them? English learners make mistakes connecting with to be and to have, and they mix them in the sentences.
He is a big kite.
No, she has a big kite.
He is two cats.
He has two cats.
She has Sleepy.
She is sleepy. When we speak about our experiences, family, body parts, and our position, food, we use to have. To be is used for names, ages, places, jobs, descriptions, feelings.
Daha çox videolar üçün izləyib abunə olmağı unutmayın.